Hello drummers, let's work on line 18 together. Go tell Aunt Rhodie. Let's take a look at the beginning of the song here. First off, we are in 4/4 time. That means that every measure, this is the blue box, is going to add up to 4 quarter notes. Let's see if that's true. We're looking at the top notes here. We have a quarter rest, that's one beat. A quarter note, that's another beat. Quarter rest, there's another beat, and there's a quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4. That adds up to the 4 like it says on the top. And draw a bar line, and that's the end of the first measure. Okay. Notice that that's a group of 4. There's the next measure. That's the group of 4. Here's the third measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Group of 4. Fourth measure. This song has 8 measures. Let's count it together. Measure 1, 2, measure 3, measure 4, measure 5, measure 6, measure 7, measure 8. Okay. In the song also we have the bass drum notes on the bottom. That's these gray notes. We're going to ignore that right now. That would be the big drum. Okay. We're not playing that. So we're just going to look at the top notes. All right, let's count this together, drums. We have a quarter rest, which we're going to say rest. We have a quarter note, which we're going to say the word ta. Okay. Let's count this together. Ready? 1, 2, and count with me. Go. Rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, 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 ta. 2 beats. Now let's pause for a second. This is called a half note. Notice it's got a hole in the middle of it. Okay. How do we play it? We hit it once, one time, but we think 2 beats on it. It's 2 beats long. Okay. So what I do when I get there, drummers, I think 2 beats. Okay. I go 2 beats. So it's a single hit that lasts for 2 seconds. Think of it like a stop sign at an intersection where you got to stop, look for cars, and then keep going. Okay, so this measure would sound like this. We would say ta, ta, 2 beats. And then we go back to the beginning. Why? Because there's the repeat sign. Okay, so let's start right here, drummers. So let's count this measure, and then we'll take the repeat sign and go back to the beginning. Ready? Let's just count it. Don't play it. Ready and go. Ta, ta, 2 beats. Rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, ta, ta. Rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, 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 ta. 2 beats and done. Would you play it with me, please, drums? Okay, make sure you're tracking the music with your eyes. All right, we're going to count it and play it. Here we go. We're in drumming position. Practice pad is at your waist height. Okay, I recommend you stand when you play. Eyes on the music, and we're going to count it out loud and play it. Ready? Keep your sticks nice and low. 1, 2, here we go. Rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, 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 ta. 2 beats. Rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, 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 ta. 2 beats and done. Okay, I would not worry about the R's and L's above the notes right now. Just I recommend you to switch off sticks right and left. Okay, all right, would you play it by yourself? Please count it out loud and play it. Here you go. Good luck. Ready, go. Now there is a repeat sign, and the music should have gone back, but sometimes the computer malfunctions and only does it once. Okay, just know in real music you would go back and do it twice, be ready for that on the quiz. It might go back and it might not. Kind of depends on what the computer is doing. Okay. All right. If that makes sense to you, drums, go ahead and take a quiz on it. If it's too fast for you, then come up here and slow it down. Okay. You can always take it down to like 70, or you can take it down to 60 even, and just practice it at a slower speed. Now, when you push record, okay, of course, we want to choose percussive through. It might give you a warning and saying, hey, this is not the proper speed for the test, and you can say record it anyway, which means that you can still record it, you just won't be able to submit it as a score. Okay, so practice it slow, master it slow. Once you feel like you got it, then start to speed it up a little bit. Try it again. Speed it up a little bit more. Try it again. And once you think you're ready, push this backward circle here with the arrow, and that will take it back to performance speed, and then try recording it at the quiz speed. Okay, so you need to submit it at the required quiz speed. I hope that makes sense, drums. Please send me those quizzes, okay?